Dancing is a form of art that can be expressed in many ways. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced dancer, it's important to have the right tools to capture your moves. In this video, we will discuss the best cameras for dance videos. We'll also provide tips on how to capture the perfect dance move, as well as leave the links to discussed cameras in the description. You can check them for more information and the latest prices. Starting our list with Canon EOS Rebel T7i DSLR camera. Given the number of cameras to choose from in the market today, nothing beats a DSLR equipped with HD capability. Though it doesn't have 4K resolution in the video, it can double down as the best camera for dance photography. Why do you need the best camera for dance photography if you are starting your video channel? With its 24 megapixels sensor and ability to shoot 6 frames per second, you will be able to produce great stills that can be posted on your Instagram or even be used as a cover image on your YouTube channel. Though it offers a huge jump from the T3i, the T7i is made of plastic, which feels a bit off for a DSLR. Other than this, it performs well in the autofocus, ISO, and image quality departments. At number 2, it's Panasonic Lumix FC80. If you don't have plans of spending a lot on a camera to record dance videos, then might as well choose the Lumix FC80 camera. It's a fixed lens zoom camera that can do well when it comes to recording videos. It is a tough contender for the best camera for recording dance videos because of its 4K video capability. You can also save a 4K photo from your 4K video. On top of that, you can film using the FC80 at 30 frames per second. And when it comes to stability, the 60x Vario lens is equipped with an optical image stabilizer that helps minimize shakes when you take videos. The only downside is that you can't change the lens. At number 3, it's Olympus OMD-EM1 Mark III. If you want the best bang for your buck, we believe that the best value camera on our list is the Olympus OMD-EM1 Mark III. Dust-proof, splash-proof, and freeze-proof, the OMD-EM1 Mark III was designed for the outdoors. It even has a weatherproof magnesium alloy body. In terms of performance taking photos, you get to shoot high-quality dance photos with its 20 megapixel sensor. And for taking videos, it can capture 4K videos without any problem. It even has a great autofocus for both taking photos and videos. However, if you are going to compare the autofocus against some of its competitors, you might say that the Olympus OMD-EM1 Mark III is a bit lagging in this department. At number 4, it's GoPro Hero 8 Black. Very first on our list of best cameras for dance videos is the GoPro Hero 8 Black. There is no denying that the GoPro has revolutionized the way we record ourselves. It is small, handy, plus it can be placed in a case and other attachments to suit different scenarios. The GoPro Hero 8 Black is one of the latest versions that can record dance videos for your YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok account. Though it doesn't look too different from the older GoPro models, it offers 3 levels of stabilization, not to mention expandable mods for pro filmmakers. You can even have a shotgun mic and light mod to get the best results on your videos. And if you love streaming, it allows you to stream in 1080p. And just like the past GoPros, you can take videos in 4K at 60 frames per second. However, it is a bit larger than the Hero 7. At number 5, it's Panasonic Lumix FC300. For a lot of video channel owners, they don't need to switch lenses, especially if they are only shooting videos of their dance routines. The Panasonic Lumix FC300 is a candidate for the best camera for recording dance videos because of its ability to shoot in 4K without the need to invest a lot into a lens. Instead, it makes use of a zoom lens that has up to 24x optical zoom. The construction is also something that stands out given its dustproof and weatherproof body. However, if you need to shoot photos, this unit only has a 12.1 megapixel sensor. At number 6, it's Panasonic Lumix L10. The Panasonic Lumix L10 is one of the best cameras for dance videos simply because it is a handy option packed with great features, making it a favorite by many vloggers. It even has a selfie display that gets the LCD to flip and face you. Though it is a point-and-shoot camera, it comes with a 20.1 megapixels MOS sensor plus 3x zoom. You also get to enjoy 4K videos. It even has a Lumix 4K photo option wherein you get to turn a part of the video into a photo that comes in handy when it comes to creating a cover photo. It has a manual lens-mounted control ring, giving you a DSLR-like feel despite being a compact point-and-shoot camera. And once you are done, you can transfer files via USB or via Wi-Fi. At number 7, it's Nikon D500. If you are somewhat becoming serious about your endeavor to create video content, a good option is the Nikon D500. It isn't surprising that it is one of the best cameras for dance videos given its powerful specs. Not only do you get several great lens options, but the Nikon D500 itself is also a powerful tool equipped with a 20.9 megapixels sensor plus an ability to take 4K videos. It is also popular because of its expansive multicam 20K 153-point autofocus system, having accurate subject tracking capabilities that can impress even the pros. The LCD is also touchscreen, making it easy to tweak what you need whether when you are taking photos or videos. It can also be tilted, especially when you are shooting at weird angles. And with that, we come to the end of our review. I hope among these 7 best options you'll find a perfect one for yourself.